Yo guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. It's been a long time since I recorded, but basically it's Friday, it's almost school, so I decided to record a video before the first day of school. So yeah. Sorry, I'm just getting a blanket on the chair, but yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing some prop hunts on Minecraft. So basically I found this just last night. Oh, I'm not on the server, So yeah, I found this last night. I was playing with my friends, and yeah, basically, well, I was basically doing farm hunt, like this game here, most of the time when I'm in this lobby. But I went to hide and seek, click this, and yet prop hunt is right there. So that's what I'm gonna be playing today. If you guys haven't played this yet, but I don't know, just let me know in the comments below. But yes, this game is so cool. I changed my skin. I make no sense today, guys. I'm sorry, but yeah, this skin's dope. Like, he's got part fire on the shoes and then like ice on his fist. Or I think that's what this guy is, but I forgot what his name was. But basically, we're gonna be hiding around in a warehouse like this entire thing, and I found some pretty good spots, and I've been like following the secrets around. Hopefully not. Okay, yeah. There, must be a diamond axe. And if you guys stay still for too long, then you're AFK, which is not good because you get kicked out of the game. I was always AFK for staying still, but thank goodness I didn't get kicked out. Yeah, so basically if you could read on top of your health, it says left click to stun the hunters. Like, you can actually stun the hunters for at least once, but it takes 15 seconds to recharge. But after that, well, actually, right click allows you to switch props. So like, yeah, I basically just switched the iron axe for a diamond. So it's nice outside. Yeah, I don't know if you guys might hear this, but I have my fan on right now. So yeah, where are the date hunters at? Oh, there's only one secret. Who's blowing up stuff? Oh my, what's wrong with me? Oh, there it is. Wait, what? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Like, watch. Oh, shoot. Yeah, like that. It slows him down. Ah! Yeah, so now, once you get killed, you're a hunter now. Yeah, so here are your weapons down here. I'm not sure what the marker tool is for. Yeah, if you guys notice, I have my I have a headset. Well, actually, this is my Xbox headset, but it works perfectly out here. I did like a little test recording, see if it worked, and oh shoot, where'd he go, teammate? You lost him. Yep, this is the thing. This always tricks you. It's so dumb for a reason. Yeah, I'm sorry about the shades, guys, but yeah, I'm not used to recording like this, but they gotta be like somewhere upstairs. Oh, someone else hiding, seeking this. Ah! I got stung! Either. Aha! Get back here! Ah! Where'd he go? Huh? What is with my heart? Your heart is beating in this game for some reason, but I don't know why. It's like a bunch of props in here that you do not see, that confuse you, that it's just a little thing that's pissing you off. Oh my. Oh, one higher left. Where is he? Ah, I could have sworn someone would pass me. Oh yes, Seekers win. Whew. Yeah, my thing looks kind of weird like this. Like, for me, it's on the left side of my ear, but for you guys, it's on the right side for some reason. No! Oh my god. Probably get it done right away. What's this? What are you doing? Sorry, guys. Oh, hello? Hello? Oh yeah, guys, another thing. What? Tell me in the comments below if you want me to do like a little challenge on like Skywars or Bed Wars. Like if you want me to do like solos or duos, that kind of stuff. But you can't do squads on Skywars, I think. I don't know if you're allowed to do Skywars, but I'll check by the end of the video. Or yeah, just text if you want me to do squads and Bed Wars. But yeah. Alright, no, hang on, let me just move that over there, alright. Why is my heart beating? Yeah, you get limited arrows as a hunter. Oh, I forgot about these ones. GG. Ah. Got a little ice cream on my keyboard. Oh, jeez. Right, 6 of us in the lobby. Oh, 8 of us now. Alright. I'm sorry guys, stay up till like 1 o'clock to watch. No. Yeah, I was watching YouTube on my laptop until like 1 o'clock. Yeah, so welcome to this video. I'm gonna probably do one later tonight. I'm not sure, but I'll for sure do that. Alright. Oh, shoot! Wait, what? Yeah, I'm not a prop yet. Shoot! 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 Sword. Oh, perfect. No! Oh god. Why me? Why'd I move? Alright. Go, 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 go! Stun, stun! Yes! Go, go, go! Ah! Down teammates! Yeah, I'm not saying this. Slash lobby. Ah! I got stunned. What else? What? Ah. Oh, slash leave. I don't know why my heart beats a lot, but I don't know. Skywars. Do they have 4-player mode? No, they do not. But ask me, guys. Ask me in the comments if you want me to do solos, dubs, ranked, or these things like the dual Skywars, laboratory, or mega dubs. Just ask me if I want to do that. Like, just tell me in the comments below if you want me to do that. Otherwise, go to Bed Wars and if you guys want me to do like solos, dubs, 3v3, like 3-player, 4-player, 4v4 capture, never that, and rush. Ask me if you want to do that in the comments below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.